Okay, so yes, we're gonna get straight into the video. You guys saw by the title and the thumbnail. Today's video was gonna be a makeup tutorial, of course, but it's very simple. It's very easy to do. I've never done it before, but I feel like it's gonna be very easy to do. I've seen Beats by Deb do it one time, but I actually already had the idea in mind to do, and then she did it a couple days ago. I'm just like, oh my god, I was just gonna do that for my next look. So anyways, like I said, you guys read by the title, it's gonna be a glitter liner look. No eyeshadow included, just glitter on your eyes. So it is very fancy. I actually haven't really done a glitter look in a minute, so I'm definitely excited to be doing this today. I am a little indecisive on exactly what glitter, like what color glitter I want to do. I still haven't decided. I was trying to figure it out on camera before. I was trying to figure it out before I got on camera, but I still just don't know. I'm trying to choose between either this one. I wanted to do one that I haven't done on my channel yet. This one, I was gonna use the fine glitter first and then use the chunky glitter on top because I wanted it to be chunky, or like turquoise green. I definitely haven't used this on my channel. So this is the fine glitter, which is turquoise, and this one is also turquoise, but it's chunky. So I'm leaning a little bit more towards the dark blue, not even gonna lie, because I'm not thinking it looks so good, but I'm still indecisive. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one. So we're gonna be using this one today. Chunky glitter from Amazon. Leave it down in the description box below. First, you want to start off with, I'm trying to get my brush. You want to start off with a very small pointer brush, something like this, because you're gonna have to apply glitter glue, and because you want the glitter to act as like a liner or whatever, you want to make sure that you are very precise with the glitter. So you don't want to use a big fat brush because you're going to be getting glitter in places that you don't want it to be. So I'm going to be using my glitter glue first. This is the glitter glue that I have. It's I don't know the brand, but I've been using it since I've been doing glitter, and I make sure to leave it down in the description box below on my hand, and then I'm just going to trace where I want the glitter to go. So I'm going to be using my touch-up mirror to do that. So I want to be very precise with this work, you guys. That's why, like I said, you want to make sure that you are using a small brush like this. Like literally, you're just going to trace your crease, but you're going to wing it out a little bit because, like I said, you want it to be like a wing liner effect. My crease, for example, don't mind like my face looking all crusty and stuff, but I always look like that before I start actually applying my makeup and stuff. But my crease is like right here. The line of my crease is right here. So that's exactly where I want to place that glitter at. I'm scared. This line is a little too fat. I didn't want the line to be that long. I mean, to be that thick. But we're gonna clean it up though. And make sure that you want to use a brush just like that you apply the glitter glue with. You want to make sure that you use something like that to apply the glitter as well. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just use this blue one. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. Kind of went a little bit out with the glitter glue because that's exactly where I want my glitter to be placed at. And then I'm just going to connect that, and then yeah, so y'all get the gist, y'all get the idea. If y'all don't, then y'all will later on. It's okay if you get some of the glitter like on your actual lid, because you're gonna clean it up anyways, like I'm gonna get ready and do once I get done applying the glitter. Okay, so for the most part, I do have the glitter on. Now I'm just gonna go in with a spoolie, the spoolie that is on the end of your brow pencil, and this is how you're gonna be able to get that glitter off of the, from the places that you don't want it, and also just to be able to get it very precise. So I'm pretty sure you guys can really tell because I don't know, like this camera is just not the best, but when it comes to like focusing on certain things, but you do want to, you know, do that. So I'm just going to take it off of the lid because I don't want it on the lid. And that's exactly how you want that to look. It's gonna look so good. So it's kind of like an elongated cut crease without the actual eyeshadow, basically. That's literally all it is. And now you're just gonna do the exact same with the wing liner part as well. Okay, so now this is how it looks. It looks really good. It looks very good and festive. Yeah, festive. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, it looks very good though. So now I'm just gonna go back in with that spoolie, and I'm gonna just brush those glitters away that I don't want. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do the other eye off camera. Actually, I'm going to do the other eye off camera, just because you guys pretty much get the concept of this eye. Very easy, very quick to do. Now probably I'll come back on to do the base, because the eyeshadow portion is very basic. So yeah, I went ahead and did most of my complexion off camera, just because I had to find my products, but I couldn't find what I was looking for some reason. And I still actually didn't. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and actually blended out this P. Louise base that I put under my eyes, and also in the center of my forehead and stuff like that. And the look is definitely coming together for the most part. It really is. I'm actually very happy. I'm at this point officially out of the P. Louise base in all of the shades except for the white. I still have some of that white though, but I am out of all the other shades that I had, so I definitely have to go get more, because those have become to be my favorite bases. Because before I purchased the P. Louise bases, my eyeshadow was never that vibrant. I usually use the Elegant Pro Concealer. Sometimes I didn't even understand the importance of having a base, especially for like colorful looks and stuff like that. So a lot of times my look, like my what's it called? My eyeshadows wouldn't really be popping. But when I started using the P. Louise base, I'm talking about game changed, period. So I need to give me some more of those. But since the quarantine and coronavirus stuff been going on, a lot of brands have been having sales, like big sales and stuff. And I know Morphe was one of the ones that had a big sale. So a lot of most of the time that this coronavirus stuff has been going on, the P. Louise bases have been sold out. And I don't purchase mine on the original site because they take forever to come. So this is my opinion. This is why I don't. But I purchased mine from the Morphe site, and they were sold out this whole time. But I didn't need any until now. So anyways, I am going to now go in with the contour. And y'all already know the contour that I use. I actually just need to go on another shopping spree when it comes to makeup, because I'm running out of a lot of products that I use in my set. I'm going to be going in with the Black Opal foundation stick in the shade Sway Mocha. So now I'm gonna go in with that other the other Black Opal stick, and this is a darker one, and this is in a shade Ebony Brown or something like that. Ebony Brown. I'll make sure to check it. I don't know for sure right now though. I'm gonna use that to darken right at the hollows of my cheeks, so it can look a little bit more you know what I mean. Give it a little bit more depthness. That's the word I'm looking for. My concealer shade, I'm just gonna carve that out. Carve my contour so they can look a little bit more sharp and defined. Period. 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 Y'all already know I haven't been showing y'all on camera that much lately, but Maybelline Fit Me powder, loose powder in the shade 35 the deep. Y'all already know how I go. And if you don't know, well now you know, you know. You know very well. Look at that nose contour though, period. And I ain't even blended it out yet. Now I'm gonna go in with the Back to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna be doing my lower lash line on camera. Oh, I think I'm just gonna do like a regular dark blue. I'm not gonna do too much with the lower lash line at all today. I'm gonna be going in with, I'm gonna go in with probably these two shades right here in the Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just gonna sweep that under my lower lash line. And it's just it. For my lip, I think I'm gonna do like a nude matte lip. I haven't done that in a couple of weeks or whatnot. So I'm gonna do a nude matte ombre lip, the exact same products that I always use. I'll make sure to leave down in the description box below. I'm gonna do that off camera, and then I'm just probably going to do the rest of whatever I need to do off camera, and I'll meet you guys in the outro.